And we have an item of news just coming in. The country has recorded 98 coronavirus cases, and that announcement was made a short while ago at a Jamaica House press briefing. We will have more details later on in this newscast. But first, the Integrity Commission is still struggling to get the confidence of Jamaicans. That's one of the findings in the latest RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Between July 24 and August 3, pollster Don Anderson and his team interviewed 1,071 persons across the island. Vashon Brown has the details.
The Integrity Commission Act was passed in 2017, establishing the anti-corruption body to promote and enhance standards of ethical conduct for parliamentarians, public and other persons. It was formed through the merger of the Commission for the Prevention of Corruption, the Integrity Commission, and the Office of the Contractor General. But 3 years after it was set up, how much confidence do Jamaicans have in the Commission?
Majority of the voters, 1,071 that we interviewed, did not have confidence in the Integrity Commission. Not a good reading. I mean, you'd want your Integrity Commission to be well up in the 70s, you know. I mean, for you to feel comfortable about where you are. But the data says that the majority of persons that we interviewed, 53% to be exact, did not have confidence in the Integrity Commission. 47% said, yes, we have confidence in the Integrity Commission.
It's an improvement since February, when only 35% of the respondents to a similar poll said they had confidence in the Commission. But Mr. Anderson maintains that the number is still low. Former Contractor General Greg Christie took office as the Executive Director of the Commission in May this year. Jamaicans were asked the extent to which the appointment of Mr. Christie to lead the Integrity Commission has strengthened confidence in the body.
43% of those persons who were interviewed in this 1,071 sample felt that the appointment of Greg Christie was going to make a positive difference to their confidence level in the Integrity Commission. And therefore, what it says is that despite the appointment of Greg Christie, there is not a lot of confidence, not sufficient confidence in the Integrity Commission.
In the meantime, more than half of the respondents said nepotism and cronyism in the awarding of government contracts should be made criminal offences. The issue of nepotism and cronyism was raised recently following the publication of 2 Integrity Commission reports on Petrojam. Those issues also came up following an investigation into the award of contracts through the constituency office of St. Anne's Southeastern Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna.
62% of all persons that we interviewed are of the opinion that the kind of cronyism and nepotism that they believe exists or takes place in terms of the awarding of government contracts should be made criminal offenses. So people are, I think, not comfortable, not happy with the fact that a lot of government contracts are being awarded, and as far as they're concerned, in kind of too many friends and pals and cronies and so on.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.